Hi, my name is Emily Salazar, and today I will be enlightening you on our growing business, Made in America. Made in America is an American convenience store that shelves American goods such as food, snacks, and beverages in foreign countries such as Japan and Singapore. Japan. Japan is home to more than 127 million people. With that many mouths to feed, one can accurately assure that many have the desire to try new and foreign foods. The typical meal here consists of rice, miso soup, pickled vegetables, and their pride in seafood, as well as several kinds of noodles like soba, ramen, and ondon. Singapore. With nearly 6 million people living in Singapore, its wide range of culture and diversity is continuing to expand. Like Japan, Singapore takes pride in their food dishes consisting of noodles with fried egg, seafood such as prawns and crayfish head, and wonton mee noodles. A study has found that 60% of Singaporeans exceed their daily calorie intake, consuming close to 3,000 calories a day. Due to their busy lifestyle, they find that snacking and opting to easy and readily available foods is more convenient for them, but are typically higher in calories. Because of this, Made in America will find a great deal of business in Singapore, attracting people commuting to and from work as well as individuals looking for a tasty all-American snack. Our goal. Made in America aims to target the hearts of different cultures through their taste buds. We eventually want to spread the American culture to different countries around the world. With Japan welcoming almost 30 million tourists each year and Singapore attracting 18 million, we hope the profits from our business in these countries will allow us to continue our expansion to European countries. With that in mind, we are not only attracting Asia, but tourists from all over the globe who have not yet experienced some of America's best foods and drinks. Our goods. In both of our convenience stores, we will stock a plethora of all-American, well-known foods. We will shelve Twinkies, beef jerky, a variety of different chips, chocolates such as Reese's peanut butter cups, and different American candy like our classic Rote bubblegum and Laffy Taffy. A quick, ready-to-go breakfast sandwich, on-the-go cereal, cinnamon rolls, and donut holes for breakfast will definitely cure any sweet tooth. Other sweets, like red licorice, Pop-Tarts, and chocolate ice cream, will be the top sellers. Corn dogs, fried pickles, and buffalo wings are all foods that originated in America that will give people a variety of taste. Also, we can't forget about our famous beverages, including root beer, Mountain Dew, iced tea drinks like Snapple and Arizona tea, and some of our domestic beers like Coors Light and Samuel Adams Lager. In conclusion, Made in America is a company bringing diversity and culture together through the products of American foods and drinks. We hope to satisfy every customer's needs and desires with a taste of our goods. As of now, we are only located in Japan and Singapore, with our main corporation stationed in Massachusetts, but hope to share and fill the hearts and stomachs of others across the globe.